Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Do you feel tired?
A little bit.
Let's relax now.
Yes. Finally.
The bed feels good.
So soft and warm.
I like sleeping next to you.
Me too.
Your skin is cold.
Hold me, please.
Come closer.
That's better.
Do you hear the rain?
Yes, it's calming.
I love rainy nights.
Me too. With you.
What are you thinking about?
About us.
Tell me.
I feel lucky.
I feel the same.
You're so kind.
You deserve kindness.
You always take care of me.
Because I love you.
I love you too.
Say it again.
I love you.
That makes me smile.
You have a nice smile.
Are you warm enough?
Yes, you're my blanket.
That's cute.
Do you want to talk more?
Of course.
What was the best part of your day?
Lying here with you.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
You're sweet.
You're sweeter.
Are you sleepy yet?
Not yet.
Good. I want to talk more.
I'm listening.
Do you like my voice?
I love it.
I like your eyes.
I like your laugh.
You make me feel safe.
I will always protect you.
Even in dreams?
Always. Even there.
That's romantic.
You make me romantic.
Am I a good partner?
You're the best.
You always say that.
Because it's true.
I believe you.
Let's stay here forever.
I wish we could.
Maybe in another life.
Or this one.
Are you happy?
With you? Always.
That's all I need.
What do you dream about?
You.
Really?
Every night.
Do I smile in your dreams?
Yes. Like now.
That makes me happy.
I love your sleepy voice.
I love your gentle touch.
Want me to sing?
Just hum softly.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, it's perfect.
Don't fall asleep yet.
I'll try.
Let me kiss your forehead.
Thank you.
You're welcome, love.
Can I ask you something?
Anything.
Will you always love me?
Forever and more.
That's all I need to hear.
Close your eyes now.
Will you stay close?
All night.
Hold me tighter.
Like this?
Yes, just like that.
You're my home.
And you're my peace.
Sleep well, my love.
You too, my heart.
I'll see you in my dreams.
I'll be waiting.
Good night.
Good night.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. And you?
I'm fine too.
This cafe is nice.
Yes, I like it.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes. You?
It's my first time.
What would you like to drink?
I want a coffee.
Black coffee or with milk?
With milk, please.
Do you want sugar?
No. Thank you.
I'll order for us.
That's very kind.
1 coffee with milk and 1 tea.
Do you like tea?
Yes, especially green tea.
That's healthy.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
It's okay.
Are you busy every day?
Yes, very busy.
Do you have time on weekends?
Yes, I do.
Let's meet on Saturday.
Great idea.
What do you want to do?
We can go to the park.
Or watch a movie?
That sounds nice too.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies.
I love romantic movies.
We can choose one together.
Yes, that's fair.
Do you want a cake?
Maybe later.
The coffee is ready.
Thank you.
How is your drink?
It's very good.
I'm happy you like it.
Do you come here alone?
Sometimes with friends.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 10 minutes away.
That's very close.
What about you?
I live across the river.
That's far.
Yes, but the bus is fast.
Do you take the bus often?
Yes, every day.
I walk to work.
That's good for health.
Yes, and it's free.
True.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Let's get something to eat.
Maybe a sandwich?
Sure.
I like chicken sandwiches.
I prefer cheese.
We can share both.
Good idea.
What time is it now?
It's 4:30 p.m.
Time flies.
Yes, I enjoy talking to you.
Me too.
Let's come again next week.
I'd love that.
Can I walk you to the bus stop?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need anything else?
No, I'm fine.
Let's go.
Okay.
Take care.
You too.
See you soon.
See you.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, the sun feels nice.
I love spending time with you.
I love being with you too.
The flowers smell so good.
I like the pink ones.
You're more beautiful than any flower.
That's so sweet.
Your smile makes me happy.
You always make me smile.
Do you want to sit on the bench?
Yes, let's rest a bit.
I like this view.
Me too. The trees are lovely.
I want this moment to last forever.
So do I.
Are you cold?
Just a little.
Come closer.
Thanks. That's better.
Can I hold your hand?
Yes, please.
Your hands are soft.
Yours are warm.
I like walking with you.
I like talking with you
What are you thinking?
about how lucky I am.
I feel lucky too,
You always make me feel special.
because you are special.
I love your eyes.
I love your heart.
Are we going to stay here long?
As long as you want.
Can we come again tomorrow?
Of course.
Let's bring a book next time.
Or a picnic.
That sounds fun.
Being with you is fun.
You're my favorite person.
You're my everything.
Do you believe in true love?
I do. I found it in you.
That's the best thing I've heard today.
I want to make you happy.
You already do.
I love this moment.
I want to remember it forever.
Look, a butterfly.
It's beautiful.
Just like you.
You always say the nicest things.
Because they're true.
I'm glad we met.
Me too. You changed my life.
I love you.
I love you more.
That's all for today on English for Beginners. If you enjoyed this video with example sentences and pictures and want to see more fun and easy learning videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You'll learn English with simple sentences and helpful images. It's easy and fun. See you next time, and good luck with your English learning.